Now we move into the most important part of your transformation, real life practice, because everything you have learned so far only becomes powerful when you apply it consistently in real life situations. The goal here is simple: train your observation until it becomes automatic. Let's go through practical drills you can start using immediately. Drill 1: The Silent Observer. Pick any environment, a cafe, office, or even a video interview. Your task: don't analyze deeply, just observe behavior. Focus on gestures, facial expressions, posture shifts. This builds your awareness muscle without overthinking. Next drill is baseline training. Talk to someone in a relaxed setting. Your goal is to notice how they behave when they are comfortable. Observe speaking speed, tone, natural gestures. This trains you to recognize what normal looks like. Next drill is spot the deviation. During a conversation, introduce a slightly unexpected or specific question. Then watch. Does their tone change? Do gestures reduce? Do they pause more? You're training your brain to detect change, not behavior. Next is emotion recognition practice. Watch interviews, movies, or real conversations. Pause and ask, what emotion did I just see? Did it match the words? This strengthens your ability to catch hidden emotions quickly. Next important drill is language pattern listening. In conversations, focus only on words. Listen for vague versus detailed responses, over explanation, avoiding direct answers. This builds your verbal analysis skill. Next is timing awareness. Ask simple and then slightly specific questions. Observe how quickly do they respond. Do delays appear at certain moments? This trains you to notice cognitive load in real time. Combine everything. Now combine words, tone, body language, timing. Ask yourself, is everything aligned or is something off? This is where real skill begins. Let's discuss a daily practice plan. It is simple and powerful. 10 minutes observing people, one conversation with baseline awareness, one moment of spotting deviation, one video for emotion practice. Always remember, consistency is greater than the intensity. You need to be disciplined. One important reminder: you are not practicing to judge people, you are practicing to see clearly. No accusations, no assumptions, just observation and pattern recognition. Here's the final takeaway: start simple, build awareness, focus on patterns, not single signals. Practice daily, skill becomes automatic. And here's what will happen if you stay consistent. At first, you will consciously observe, then you will start noticing patterns, and eventually, you won't try to read people, you will just naturally understand them.